Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap on them. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner right here. Let's tap on it and tap on Reset Up Preferences. Here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and default apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset and this is it actually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.